Words to win, is it legit or fake? As you can see, guys, okay, I'm in Trustpilot. I'm just gonna read some of the reviews about what people are actually saying about this company, guys, okay. But first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money online. Now let's see some of the reviews about this company. This person said that you spend way too more money than what you think. Scam company, this one. Last time I made a withdrawal about them deducting more than $4 on my cash out of $20. Now I couldn't withdraw that $15 they sent me. I played it again and added $15 in order to get $20. I couldn't withdraw because I wanted to withdraw through to capacity, in which I'm having trouble with two verification. They sent my money again, deducting $5. I made $21. I received $17 without requesting a withdrawal. I've been telling them to reverse it, and they're telling me stories. They want me to offer a voucher, which why send me automatic withdrawal without a client requesting? I don't want to buy anything online. I want my money in cash. So this person just a review, guys. Okay, let's look at this review from United States. They have a plenty of opportunities to win for free, but the games, they are fun and engaging. They also send you plenty of small coupons to play and get paid for free. Give them a try, okay? So what I like about these guys is that they only take $5 for withdrawal fee. This person said that the free vouchers are great. It gives you a chance to win without expending a single dollar. It gives you a chance to add to your winning wallet, okay? So some people, they are leaving good reviews. Some people, they're leaving negative reviews. Let's look at another review from South Africa again. I like these paying apps. They are legit. I have $15 in my wallet. I'm just short of $5 to get off $20 for the first time because I'm joining recently, but it's promising. I'm going to delete all of these apps that are scams because they never deposit money into my PayPal account, okay? So this one, guys, it is legit. To be honest, it is legit because this app, they have 10 million downloads, guys, okay? 10 million people who are downloading this app. So this app, it does pay, okay? But forget about some of the delays there and there. I'm going to talk about those things, why they do that, okay? This person says, when making a payment to my account of $20, I only get $15 on PayPal, okay? So why is that, okay? Because they only take $15. So they only take $15 because they only take $15 of transaction fee. This person says, my experience with the games are amazing and fun. You really get paid for your efforts. It is really great and you should try it out. I recommend it. So some people, they say that you can recommend the products, you can recommend this app. Some people, they say that no, it is scam. They only take $5 because they are taking this is the transaction fee, guys, okay? Whenever you want to withdraw something, they want to charge you $5 for the transaction fee, guys. You know the transaction fees. It is not a scam. This is a legit app, okay? So let's look at this one. The games are good. Quite easy and quite difficult at times. The games test your capability to think of what letters would complete a word or would you sound good with the given sentence. I hope just for more vouchers via email. I think my account doesn't receive vouchers as often as before when I was a beginner. Keep it up, okay? As you can see that people, they're leaving some quite amazing reviews about this app, So I would recommend it as well, Let's look at this person from Zimbabwe. It is very interesting. And I would recommend you try it. But the free clues have been increased, but that was okay every 6 hours. So yeah, guys, you can try it out, but you're not gonna make an income changing life, you can try it out. $20, it's not bad, This person from South Africa as well. If you want to learn and earn while you sleep, Words to Win is the place to be. They have great categories of gaming and squeezy to enter everyone. Easy $24 withdrawal. I have no regrets ever since joining a few years ago. Some more vouchers would be great again, but it helps to boost earning, okay? So this person, Jada from South Africa, has been using this app for years, okay? And also they made a good review about it. So guys, I would recommend it guys, okay, that you go to West to Win and also try it out, okay, for you, so that you can also make this $20 per month, okay. But if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home without playing games online, okay. That allows me to quit my 9 to 5 job. That allows me guys to have financial freedom. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care. Good luck.